Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how you can control the time in using Instagram application so you will get a work-life balance on your daily life. So the thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application. The next you just need to tap into your profile and click into these three straight lines. Go click this settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is just go take a look about how you use Instagram. There could be two options there: notification and time spent. Tap into the time spent. Now if you want to control the duration or the time that you want to use on Instagram, so you just need to go set into this daily limit. Tap on it. Now you just need to set the durations of the time that you want to use the Instagram. You can be like 15 minutes because you are really busy with your work, so you don't want to get distracted, so you just need to pick this 50 minutes. But then if you still have a plenty time to do a social media things, you can do for longer time or longer duration. They could be 1 hour, 2 hours, or there is no time limit if you don't want to set it. So let's just go with 45 minutes. So after you set this, right after you open the Instagram application and after 45 minutes using it, so the Instagram will be automatically closed. So that is the way, guys, how you can control the time in using Instagram. Hopefully it helps you, and please don't forget to turn on the notification section so that you will find the upcoming tutorials about Instagram. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.